Outside Nigeria now, Israel says it has launched large-scale airstrikes on Yemen. The IDF says the strikes is aiming at what it calls military targets of the Houthi terrorist regime. The strikes come as Israel carried out more attacks across Lebanon and Hezbollah fired more rockets into northern Israel. Lebanon confirmed that at least 77 persons have been killed, including 17 people from the same family. Israel says it killed 20 Hezbollah leaders alongside Hassan Nasrallah in its attack on the group's underground headquarters on Friday. Hassan Nasrallah was one of the best-known and most influential figures in the Middle East, and reports say his body was recovered on Sunday. The supreme leader of Iran, which arms and funds Hezbollah, says his death will not go unavenged.